Now, live from KUSI, this is Good Business San Diego. Sponsored by Wilsey Asset Management.
Hi, I'm Roy Robertson. Welcome to Good Business San Diego, where we're talking about the topics that are important to you, your home, your family, your health, and your money. And the following portion of Good Business San Diego is sponsored by Wilsey Asset Management. Brent Wilsey, president of Wilsey Asset Management, with us again today. And this week, Brent's commentary is on Robinhood, the brokerage firm that Brent says looks a lot more like a gambling platform. This is not good news for Robinhood, your
Not
comments.
good news. And let me explain, too, the difference between speculating and investing, which is what Robinhood endorses as speculating. Investing is where, you're patient, you have a strategy, you have discipline, you have analysis, and you have the goal to build long-term wealth.
Right.
Speculating is where you guess on something's going to happen in the near future, no planning at all. You probably have a chance of losing most, if not all, of your money. But what's happening with Robinhood is getting more people to do speculating. And I gotta say, Scott even said beforehand, the stock has done well. I mean, the stock came out in 2023 around $33 a share, $38 a share, fell below 10. Now it's about 125. Why is that? Because of all the speculating that they're having their clients do, that they're making tons of money off. And I'll tell you too, the online gambling companies, they're getting a little bit pissed off because they're taking their customers from the gambling companies.
Really?
Because of what they're doing. Yeah.
So what do they enable you to do within this, the umbrella of speculation, which we know is not good?
It's not good. And we know that crypto, Bitcoin and so forth, there's like 10,000 cryptos I talked before, but what they encourage people to do, they have these crypto coins, these coins that are names like Bonk. They have another one, I have no idea what this means, but dog with hat. What that does, what that means, I don't know. And then another one, Pungy Penguins. Maybe it's for penguins up in Alaska, I don't know, but these are the things that people are speculating on Robinhood, and it's just crazy. And now they've come out with these new things called prediction markets, event trading, these crazy things that this is why the gambling companies, the online gambling casinos, are getting pissed at them because they're taking these things away from people.
So I'm guessing if you're investing in Pungy Penguins, you're probably not really truly invested for the long haul, are you?
You shouldn't be, because what are you investing in? There's nothing there. And I did see, remember the Trump coin and the Millennia coin?
Yeah.
I saw the Trump coin is now down 89%, Millennia's coin's down 99%. These are pure speculative things that are happening. And I gotta question, where are the regulators here? Because this is supposed to be brokerage firms. It's not just Robinhood, there's others as well out there that are doing the same thing. But this is not investing, this is not a brokerage firm, it's a pure gambling firm.
Some of these terms, I'll admit this, and I'm kind of glad that I don't even know. Prediction markets, what is that? How are we investing in that?
Yeah, and that's why I'm here to talk about it, because people don't know prediction markets, event trading. Prediction markets are what it is. You're predicting something in the future. Now, you're not just predicting the stock or something else. They now have it now to where you can buy an option to predict what the result of a football game will be on Sunday, or a basketball game. Also to economic events. You can buy options on political outcomes. You can also do it on, and I love this one, there's an event planning that you can do. Will an alien land on Earth this year?
This year?
This year.
Time's running out, clock's ticking.
And I think the option is like $2 to $4 or something.
Wow.
If an alien does land on Earth, you get $100 back. But this is not investing. This is pure craziness, pure speculation. And I just don't know where the regulators are. And maybe they take a long time to get here, but this has got to stop. I mean, people are going to be losing money, and they'll say, oh, what happened? They don't understand the difference between investing and speculating. And the problem is, when you're young, you have one big thing on your side, and that's the time, because your money can compound over and over again. If you lose it by speculating, you start off, you're 50 years old, geez, lost all my money.
I mean, they're really polar opposites, right? Speculating and investing.
Yeah.
Completely contradict one another.
And I know they're fun. I know speculating can be fun because, like, oh, I can make so much money and stuff. But 90% of the time, you're probably going to lose. And every once in a while, I find that one person that did maybe win. But no, I mean, speculating, you got to understand, this is not the way to go.
Okay, I got to go because I got to get my bet on aliens landing before the end of the year.
Well, good luck.
More information on everything Brent does at, thank you, smartinvesting2000.com. We'll be right back.